Hey Matt, so your question is how to generate two different models with the same perimeter and the same infill, using the same material for the perimeter and infill as I'm showing here. So perimeter and infill with the same material for the first model and perimeter and infill with the same material for the second model. So the way how you can do that is by generating individually one G-code for this material for this model in one position, and then adding the G-code that is generated for the second model with a different perimeter and infill. So let's say you generate you take this you generate this model by selecting from here which printhead you want to use, and of course you need to consider the configuration as I show you in the previous video. What is in the slicer? So in the slicer it says that multiple extruder is 1. So in this case it's gonna be blue, right? So printhead number 1. So once you generate the G-code, it will be blue and blue. Right? Let's wait until it's finished. So if you see this, it will be blue and blue. So the next thing that you need to do is just move slightly the model to another position, right? So now go to the selection here, 2, right? And then you can change from here the configuration as well. No, you can change from there or you can change from here as well and say that. You can do any of those options and then slice again, right? So after you generate the G-code, you just need to wait. You just need to go here, copy the full G-code, right? And then open a new window. A new window as it is here, and paste both G-codes in one single file, and then you will have both. Even though I'm gonna send the G-code for you to print both models, but in the future you want to do the same, so you know now how to do that properly. That's it.